Hey guys, and today I'll be unboxing a prized possession. It is the Gorillaz phone cover. Hopefully, I think it is. And I'm gonna rip it open, see what I get. I don't know what it's gonna be. Very thin. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a little stabby stab. There we go. Hold on a second, everybody. There we go. Sorry for it. And whoa! It's here. It's here. The whole Gorillaz Plastic Beach. Really cool. Let's set that aside. And no phone case. It's fascinating. But I'm gonna try unboxing this. I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna play any music because but good, pretty good. Looks pretty good, and if you open it up, see the boogeyman and plastic beach sweepstakes. And you got one of the CDs. Picture of a noodle and 2D. This is probably the making. I'm not sure. I haven't played it yet. The Sweet Sound Station. Oh, dog. I wanna see you. Don't wanna stop. And then there's disc probably 2. This disc 1 probably has the whole Gorillaz in a punch bowl. Got Cyborg Noodle. Got the whole Plastic Beach. Here's the disc 1. Hold on a second. Go. Disc 1. It's pretty cool. Nothing on the back though. Pretty cool if there was. And that's the thing. I dismiss. There's the whole thing right here. It's a DVD. Yeah. This is 1011 Gamma, and thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing. It's really cool. Whoa. Awesome. If you know Gorillaz, they have a YouTube channel. You can check that out. Just the Gorillaz. You also got they also have a TV show coming up, and a website, and Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye. Also subscribe.